This is our new CAD training manual. So we came out with this so that our current teammates and future teammates can reference it and make sure that they're following the correct process when we're creating these custom boat covers, and also make sure that they're staying up to date with the current standards that we have in our shop. We've got a lot of pictures and detailed images so that our CAD team can quickly reference things if they have questions. We've got information on how we digitize boats, what information we need for that, our standards when it comes to digitizing to make sure we're all doing it the same way. Our standards about where we want those files uploaded so that we can use them again in the future. Our standards with our template files so that we can make sure we're all using the same template files and using the same standards with those. Information on our process flowchart, which is kind of a rough outline of the steps we want our CAD team to take when it comes to creating a custom cover. We've got our storage cover standards. So our standards are really important to our team. It's a way for us to standardize our custom work, even though custom work can be so different. We have all of our different standards here, and even though we're doing lots of different boats, we all have the same standards when it comes to like a storage cover or cinch cover. So it's really important that our CAD team follows these. We also have a very detailed process of how our CAD team creates these covers, so they're able to go through and make sure that they're doing it the right way. If they're if they're training, and they can quickly go through all this, and it's a pretty step-by-step guide on how to do it. So we got all of that, and then we've got our cinch cover standards. So similar to the storage cover, we've got all listed out so the CAD team can quickly reference them and get those all, make sure that all the standards are the same for the different covers in the shop. And then going through, we have our detailed process for our cinch covers. So similar to storage, it's just a way for like a step-by-step guide to pretty much go through the entire process. So we've got that in here. And then we've got information on how to nest these files. So after we're cutting the file, or when the files are ready to be cut, we have standards for what layers need to be exported, how we use the software to nest it, how to request fabric, all of that. So we've got all of that in here as well. And we also have some information on our naming standards, our final review, our checklists, all of that. So it's been a really great way for our team to kind of standardize our process and make sure we're all doing things the same way.